Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious lemon pepper baked salmon recipe. This recipe is so easy to make, packed with amazing flavor, and it's so tasty. Let's get started. I have some salmon on a baking sheet. I'm going to start by drizzling some lemon juice all over the salmon. I'm going to move the salmon around, that way the lemon juice can get onto every single part. Next, we're going to season the salmon with these spices. We're using store-bought lemon pepper seasoning, a little bit of salt, some Italian seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. I'm going to leave all measurements of ingredients in the description box. I'm mixing all the spices together, then I'm going to season both sides of the salmon with the spices. Once the fish is very well seasoned, I'm going to place slices of butter on the top. I'm using salted butter. The butter is going to melt into the salmon to crisp it up and add more flavor. I've gone ahead and preheated my oven to broil. I'm going to place the salmon into the oven to broil for 15 minutes. And here it is when it's all done baking. It looks and smells so good. I like broiling salmon because it adds a little crisp to the outside and it makes it more flavorful. While the salmon is still very hot, I'm going to add some freshly chopped dill. I highly recommend adding the dill because it adds a fresh flavor to the salmon. This lemon pepper baked salmon recipe came out so good. It's best served with sauteed rice or baked potatoes with roasted vegetables on the side. It came out very soft, tender, and delicious. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.